Hello marketers, in this video we are going to learn about the GA4 Advanced Reports that are available in our Analysis Hub in GA4. So these are the Advanced Analysis Reports that are available in GA4 for the very effective and the efficient analysis of the data that we have collected in GA4 by using the events that we have sent and the custom dimensions, custom metrics, and all the data that is being registered in GA4 can be analyzed using these analysis reports in different ways. So we have several reports could be generated like the exploration reports and the funnel analysis and the path analysis and the segment overlap, user explorer, cohort analysis, and the user lifetime value report. So these are the several reports that we can generate with the data that we have gathered in GA4. So we'll get to know about each and every particular report in the interface right now. So we have the exploration report. This displays all the data in the way we want it to be displayed, customized to us. We can mention the metrics or the dimensions and the segments and the filters that we would like to apply on our data that we have collected, and then create a visualized view about the data and analyze that according to our need. And then we also have the funnel analysis where we can analyze the entire user journey into different steps. Like if it's an e-commerce website, then we can analyze the user behavior as and create some funnels like with the steps including the checkout steps like the payment data being filled and the shipping details and reaching the checkout phase, and then making a purchase. And move forward we can also add some other steps like people adding the products to the cart and then making a payment and finally making a purchase. So these are all the steps that we have in an e-commerce website. So this can be visualized in a funnel based analysis and apply the dimensions and the metrics that we would like to track and identify the number of users that are included in each funnel step. So this is the funnel analysis, and then we have the path analysis, that is how the user behavior is and how the user is navigating throughout a website. And then we have the segment overlap where we can identify where the users are having a common point, or where we can identify the user behavior that is common to two things. So this is the segment overlap, and this is very much important in order to know the audience and the type of audience we are getting. And the user explorer report, we can individually track in depth into the user and the user behavior and also the user characteristics by using the user explorer report. And we have the cohort analysis. Cohort is nothing but a batch. So it's a batch of users. So there might be some users in the first week and the same number of users could be in the next week. So what's the same number of users that is in the next week could be detected with this cohort analysis, and we can apply it weekly, monthly, or yearly, and we can even apply it weekly basis. So the thing is the number of users that are moving forward in each cohort. And then we have the user lifetime report. We can entire overview about the user and the lifetime value of the user and the lifetime value we are getting from that particular user. Right now, if it's an e-commerce website, the user might make a purchase of $200 at the first time, but he would persist with a website or business and might generate a more number of purchases and generate a more lifetime value, so that we can detect this lifetime value and also use this in our reports. And based on that we can create much more engaging stuff on our website and also attract more users and spend more and attract more users. So these are the several types of reports that are available in the exploration hub, that is the analysis hub. So these reports are very much helpful for us. So see the different ways of creating these reports that could be helpful for us, and create the custom reports to analyze the data according to our need. Thank you.